Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install EA Sports FC25 game on your PC. Guys, first open up your any browser and just search for the Steam. Once you search for it, now the Steam website appear on the top, so simply open it. And once the Steam was open, here you will see the search bar, just click on that, then just type here the EA Sports. And this game appear on the top, so simply open up the EA Sports FC25 game. Now here just scroll down, you'll see the option of add to cart. Now to download and install this game, you have to just click on the login option you are seeing on the top. Then you have to simply create the account on the Steam to download and install this game. Now if you have an account, then just sign in, and if you don't have an account, then just create an account. So once you created the account, then click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top. And guys, simply download the Steam and install it into your PC, and this is very simple and easy process. After that, simply open up the Steam and log into your account, then click on the top search box and just type here the EA Sports. And guys, once you type it, now this game appear on the top, so simply open up this game. Now here just scroll down and you will see the option of add to cart. So simply click on this option and click on this option of view my cart. And guys, once you click on that, now click on this continue to payment. Now guys, here simply pay with your PayPal or any other card you have, and this is very simple and easy. So once you pay the amount, now the game was added to your Steam library. Just click on the library on the top, and on the left hand side you will find the EA Sports FC25 game. Just click on that, then click on the install, and this is how you can download and install this game. If you find this video helpful, so please consider liking, and bye bye and take care.